We're using a ready-made design to save some time. Today, we're creating a summer-inspired birthday invitation based on a trend that's been everywhere lately: the summer I turned. Just swap in any age, and you've got a fun theme that's perfect for birthdays. Let's get to it. The first thing I'm doing is editing the heading so the theme is clear. I'll also switch the font to one that captures that relaxed, beachy feel and helps set the tone for the invitation. Your title is usually the first thing shoppers notice, so making the theme instantly recognizable helps communicate the overall style at a glance. Now that we have the heading, let's make sure everything is aligned and centered. We also want to check that the spacing feels balanced. We'll be coming back to these details throughout the design process because every change can affect the overall layout. A quick tip: don't wait until the very end to fix alignment. Making small adjustments as you go saves time and helps your design stay balanced from start to finish. Next, I want to update the wording a little. Your customers will be able to edit all of this themselves, but it's always a good idea to make your sample template feel as complete as possible. Next, I want to update the wording a little. Your customers will be able to edit all of this themselves, but it's always a good idea to make your sample template feel as complete as possible. The easier it is for shoppers to imagine using your template, the more effective your listing will be. As I continue refining the text, I'm making sure the same font styles are used consistently throughout the design. Repeating fonts creates visual cohesion and keeps the invitation looking intentional rather than random. Another tip: try to limit yourself to just 2 or 3 font styles. Consistent typography makes your templates easier to read and gives them a much more professional feel. Before moving on, I'll do another quick check of the spacing, font sizes, and overall layout. A simple graphic like this instantly reinforces the theme and gives the invitation more personality. When choosing illustrations, look for elements that support the theme without competing with your text. To finish it off, I'll update the colors to complement the illustration. Pulling colors from your graphics is one of the easiest ways to build a cohesive color palette, and it helps every element feel like it belongs together. One final tip: before you finish any template variation, ask yourself if every design choice supports the same theme. Your fonts, colors, illustrations, and layout should all work together to tell the same visual story. And that's it. With just a few simple updates, you've created a fresh variation that's ready to add to your shop. The best part is that you can repeat this same process with different themes, colors, and graphics to create even more unique listings from your template library. If you found this helpful, don't forget to subscribe for more quick customization tutorials, design tips, and ideas to help you create unique, sell-ready templates even faster.